how to become popular on LinkedIn, how to gain more leads, more business, and money. Yes, I know many of you want to learn this, so here I am telling you step by step how you can actually get popular on LinkedIn. But before that, let me ask you, do you really want to succeed on LinkedIn? And if you answer yes, you have to understand one thing, that what is your target audience. The TG, the target group, should be very clear if you really want to get popular on LinkedIn. See, you cannot be popular on LinkedIn with for everybody. You have to set some goals. Some target audience should be there. You should select your niche as well, because a lot of people think like, okay, I'll just get started on LinkedIn and I want to be popular, I want to make money, this and that. No, you can't do that. It is not done in that way. It is a different process and you have to follow that. So number one thing, if you want to gain some sort of business and want to make money on LinkedIn, understand that your LinkedIn profile should be very much optimized. You must be clear with your hero keywords, and hero keywords should be 3. So you must know what are your top 3 keywords that can help you to get recognition on LinkedIn. Now, coming to the second step, you have to make sure that you are active on LinkedIn, and that's what something that nobody, literally nobody, put it on a serious note. Now, here is the thing. Number one step, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Find your 3 hero keywords and put those keywords into your headlines, your experience section, your summary of the profile, and keep using those 3 hero keywords every single place is possible. Then second step, you definitely need to be searchable. For that, edit your LinkedIn profile URL. And to do that, I'm showing this process. Just make sure that you follow this entirely so that you gain your unique URL. And let me tell you, many of you would be having same name, like there are so many Shraddha and Shraddha Srivastav also. So make sure that somebody else may not have claimed the same name with surname same. So make sure that you become the first one to claim your name first. Okay. Here is the thing. Shraddha Srivastav was already claimed, so I have used it as Shraddha dash Srivastav. That's how I have actually claimed my unique URL on LinkedIn. Then the third step you need to follow is all about being active on LinkedIn, as I already said. As it is the third step, you just need to consider that in 3 ways you can be active on LinkedIn. Number one, you have to connect with the like-minded people and people who are in your niche, who are in your industries. Second way, you can be active as posting post on LinkedIn. Now, what would you post? You post about your industry, what is happening, what is the hot news, what all your expertise are, how your case studies has been done, what are your achievements, what are your experiences. Every single thing is possible to share as a post on LinkedIn. Now, the third, the final way is to be active on LinkedIn. You can definitely start commenting on those posts, and that's vital. I mean, you cannot ignore this major step if you really want to grow your LinkedIn. And with that, this is the third step. I told you that you have to be active on LinkedIn. Now let me tell you the fourth step, how you can be really popular on LinkedIn. To be popular on LinkedIn, you need to understand the trend, what is going on LinkedIn. You have to check out your feed, you have to check in what all is going on, what type of posts people are actually following, what are the post, the content that is going viral. And once you know that, you are there. You have to make sure that you are sharing the original content. I see a lot of people, they just copy paste because they saw that, okay, this post went viral, I need to just copy and paste it out. No, you don't need to do that, because if you are copy pasting, people will not literally be interested in you, because you are already copying someone else, so they will better follow the other one. So better you become authentic, and when you're authentic, people love that. You share your original point of views. When you share your original point of views, people love that, because people want to know your mindset, your point of views, your thought of process. People are not interested in the same things that you are sharing. For example, if I'm sharing how you become popular on LinkedIn, I'm sharing my things that I have done for me and for my clients and for the other 10,000 people I've helped. I am sharing the entire real experience that really helps in. Now, here is the thing, final tip I want to give you to get you become more popular on LinkedIn, I want to say that don't have an intention to go viral on LinkedIn, because many times I myself, in my initial years, if I say when it was 2019, I was trying to go viral on LinkedIn, and I was trying to post those stuff which was not even relevant for my target audience. And that's when I started losing my charm on LinkedIn, because I was not relevant, I was not authentic, I was not myself. These were the three reasons. That's how, if you want to hold your charm, make sure that you are authentic, you're sharing your real point of views. Also, you need to make sure that whatever is going on in a particular location you live in, for example, you live in India, US, or UK, whatever the hot news is running around, you must talk about it, right? When you talk about it, you are definitely, becoming the center of the attention. And you're, I mean, I want to say that you don't need to be a center of the attention, but definitely you have to have that point of views to be shared in that particular topic by yourself. When it comes to LinkedIn, people want to talk with professionals, and this is the question people ask me: how to be professional on LinkedIn? So let me tell you, a lot many people fear to be on LinkedIn, and they feel that LinkedIn is tough. No, I want to tell you, no, it's not tough. It's just that you have to remain professional in terms of talking about something that is very much relevant to your target audience. See, LinkedIn is more about not you, but your target audience. If you go on my profile, if you check what are the type of content I'm sharing, even if I'm sharing my personal stories, I'm relating it with common things that is really, that is actually easily, related by other people. When they read it, they can feel that okay, this happens, right? I am just trying to make sure that my posts are staying relevant, and I myself showing myself as a authentic person. Yeah, that's it. I mean, there are a few more tips I want to give you quickly. Getting popular on LinkedIn is just not like a recipe that I'll tell you and then you'll cook it and then you are famous on LinkedIn. No, it's not like that. You have to put some efforts, you have to, follow some steps, those I'm sharing already with you. But here is one thing that is very much important: you need to have your niche very clearly, because I know many people literally feel like okay, I am picking one industry called digital marketing and I'll talk about it. No, please don't do that. Digital marketing is a vast industry. Pick your niche, in which category, in which niche you are really willing to talk about. And when you know that, stick to it. For example, me, I have been talking about LinkedIn for years. For 7 8 years, it has been 7 8 years I've used LinkedIn for 360-degree, and I'm always talking about LinkedIn because I'm expert in it. And it's just not about sticking to a niche, but also, setting yourself as a professional, as an expert in this industry. I myself known as a leader in this industry because I have set my voice around it. So make sure that you're following the all the top layer of the content. For example, the top, middle, and the bottom funnel level of the content. For example, the top funnel, you need to share the common topics that are related to everybody. Okay, every single professional coming from any industry. The middle is you're talking about your experiences coming into the around industries and those topics that is related into digital marketing. But then the bottom layer of the content should be always around your major topic, major niche. For example, mine is LinkedIn, so I keep talking about it, and I follow that three funnel. Okay, you have to follow this if you really want to become popular on LinkedIn in 2024. To become popular on LinkedIn, you need to make sure that you are active on LinkedIn. You're at least, spending some time on LinkedIn. And here is the bonus tip for you: all you need to do is three things. Every day open your LinkedIn, give 5 minutes to explore what are those three people whom you can connect with, and they are related to your industry, related to your work, related to your niche. They can be a leader, they can be founders, they can be your future clients, and so on. Then secondly, you have to comment on others posts. Give 15-20 minutes or 30 minutes, as much as possible from your side. Make sure that you drop at least 5 comments per day, so that you can get become popular on LinkedIn. And when it comes to be popular, I'll say increase your commenting till 15 comments per day. Literally, when you comment more, you gain more leads, you gain more connection requests, and so on. And the third final thing I want to tell you is keep sharing post. When you do that, you really do justice with your industry, with your niche, with your knowledge and everything. So keep posting, make sure that you are talking and staying relevant, and that's it. That's all you need to do to become popular on LinkedIn. I already shared everything around it, but I have already shared some more tips in depth. I can tell you how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, how to search high ticket clients, and how to monetize your LinkedIn. Make sure you watch out those videos and meet me in the next one. Till then, bye bye.